Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing some jelly dessert and it's really easy to make and I'm sure you would like to try it because it's sweet and easy to make, as I said. Follow my channel to see more of my recipes. First, you'll need some coffee and some boiling water. Then mix it and let it sit. Then put some gelatin in a bowl and add some milk. Then mix it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then add 2 glasses of milk and then some coffee and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and that you mix it all very good. Then when the gelatin is done, add some heat and mix it. Heat it up a bit. Then add the mixture to the other mixture. Then mix it very well. Then put it into some glasses where you will serve it. Then you let it sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Then just add some mint and some berries. And this tastes amazing, a little bit of coffee and milk. It's super easy to make and it's so sweet and delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Give me a like if you did and follow my channel to see more of my recipes. Thank you for watching.